Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Nintendo Switch. It's important to understand that Apple Pay is a secure and convenient payment method primarily designed for Apple devices and online transactions through supported merchants. The Nintendo Switch, on the other hand, is a dedicated gaming console. While both are popular technologies, their functionalities for payment processing are distinct. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct, native integration for Apple Pay on the Nintendo Switch system itself. The primary reason you cannot directly use Apple Pay on your Nintendo Switch is due to the console's proprietary payment infrastructure. When you make purchases on the Nintendo eShop, you're interacting with Nintendo's own secure payment gateway. This system is designed to accept traditional payment methods like major credit and debit cards, as well as PayPal and Nintendo eShop gift cards. Apple Pay relies on specific NFC hardware and software frameworks that are not built into the Nintendo Switch console, making direct integration impossible. Since direct Apple Pay integration isn't available, the only way to effectively use funds associated with your Apple Pay account for Nintendo Switch purchases is through an indirect method. You could purchase Nintendo eShop digital gift cards from an online retailer that accepts Apple Pay as a payment option. Once you receive the digital code, you can then redeem it directly on your Nintendo Switch eShop. This method allows you to leverage your Apple Pay funds, albeit through an intermediary step, to acquire games and content. To summarize, while Apple Pay offers a seamless payment experience on many platforms, it is not a natively supported payment option on the Nintendo Switch. The most practical and secure approach to utilize your Apple Pay funds for Switch content is by purchasing Nintendo eShop gift cards from authorized online vendors that accept Apple Pay. Always double-check the legitimacy of the retailer to protect your financial information. Remember to keep your Nintendo account secure with unique, strong passwords for all your gaming purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.